Have you ever wondered how to upload your first video on YouTube? Don't stress. Today I'll show you step by step how to do it. By the end of this video, you will be ready to hit the publish button with confidence. Let's get started. How to upload a video? To upload a video, go to your YouTube channel dashboard and hit Upload Video from Create. Once you've clicked, drag and drop your video file into the upload section or select it from the button. While your video uploads, it's time to optimize it. Let's go step by step. Now you are going to see some differences here because I have VidIQ plugin installed, just to help me with my videos. That's not an ad, I just use this one. If you want to go ahead and use it too, there's a link in the description below. Now let's go. The title. Keep it descriptive and keyword focused. There's a formula that I use for that, and the formula I have found is your keyword plus the problem you're solving. That's not something that I have created or invented, that's something that I have seen with years of experience. For example, if your video is about changing a tire, the title could be How to Change a Tire, or Changing a Tire, Everything You Need to Know. In my case, this is my first video in a long time, so my title would be A New Chapter Begins, Hello World 2.0. Of course, checking other creators in the same niche and grabbing ideas is always a good idea, but be careful, stealing an exact title won't help you at all. For the description, write a short summary of your video. With practice, you can build a formula for your YouTube descriptions too, as we did with the title. But at the moment, as a beginner, the only thing you need to keep in mind is that this description is not only for the YouTube as a search engine, it is for the people too. So it should be nice and clean, should be understandable, should be helpful. So if I can give you one advice with optimization of your videos, make them for people. Prepare them for people. And you should be good to go. With that said, let's go and add my description. You can add some relevant call to action, links, hashtags, but keep it readable. For the thumbnail, you can add visually appealing, click-worthy thumbnail. Look at what works in your niche for inspiration. The thumbnail that I'm using here is created with Canva. Again, not an ad, I just don't have any other professional software on my laptop, so the easy route for me is a Canva account. After the thumbnail, we have a playlist as a dropdown. Here you can create a playlist if you're planning to organize your videos in a different playlist. As this may be your first video, you can go ahead and skip that part. On the next setting, audience, you are required to indicate if this video is created specifically for kids or not. If yes, your video will be set to a different audience and so on. In my case, this video isn't made for kids, so I'm going to select no, it's not made for kids. And here you have one sneaky little button. Let's click it, because it has some more settings to be added down below. With paid promotion, you mark if your video have any sponsorships, and in my case this video isn't sponsored, so I'm going to select nothing. On the next setting, outer content, we have to confess if this video has any AI messing around, and in my case, again, no, it's only me, myself and I, hashtag Lara Production. Next, we have automatic chapters, and I'll leave that selected as it gives me the opportunity to add chapters in my longer videos, and it gives YouTube the opportunity to add chapters if needed. The same things go for featured places and automatic concepts. Now we have the tags. Here we can add keywords that will help the algorithm make more sense of what our video is about. The key thing here is to be as specific as you can. I have my tags ready, so I'm going ahead and just adding them. If you have any helping software, you can choose from a few recommendations down here. On the language and caption certification, you only need to select the language you're using in your video. Mine was Bulgarian before, so I'm going to select English now, and the last setting I'm going to add is the category. Category goes for what type of video you have uploaded. If it's a vlog type of a video, use people and blogs. If it's a tutorial, you can select education, and so on. Off we go to the next screen, video elements. First, we have subtitles. If your video is in any other language besides English, you can go ahead and add some English subtitles, giving the English audience the opportunity to understand your video. For the English videos, YouTube has some automations that can create subtitles for your audience, so you don't have to worry about that. Next, we have an end screen. That's the elements you see when a video from your favorite creators come to an end, and there's subscribe button or maybe a few video recommendations. As this may be your first video, you can go ahead and choose a subscribe button, and the video type best for viewers. That will show your audience a video that will be selected based on the preferences of the person who is watching. Once you have more videos, you can select a specific video from yours that you want to show your audience. The last option here is add cards. As this is the first video you upload, this option may not be available, but just for the sake of it, this is an option that gives you the opportunity to add specific video as a link in the specific moment in your video. If you have enough subscribers, there can be an option to adding a custom link to it. But really be careful with it because the misuse of this feature may get you wiped out of YouTube. I'm going to leave it only with the end screen at the moment, and let's go to the next step, checks. Here you'll see if your video has any violations or needs any licenses based on your content. The important thing here is whenever you're using anything in your video that's not created by you, you should have the license for it ready and set to go there. We are good with my video, so let's go to the next and final step, visibility. Here you'll see a few options. Private is an option to upload your video and share it only with specific people using an email. Make sure to put a Gmail here so those people can access the video. Unlisted is a type of a private video that everyone with a specific link for the video can access. The video won't be visible on your YouTube channel, but you can access it from your uploaded content. Public is the option that will get your video live. You can publish it right away, or you can plan when the video should go live. If you want the maximum effect in the first few hours of your video upload, make sure to publish it at a convenient time for your audience. If you have students as your audience, for example, the best time may be after their classes or something like that. You can go now and confidently upload your first video from many. If this video was helpful, let me know with a comment or a like, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them. You can also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you won't miss on anything. That's it for today. Best of luck and keep the good vibes up.